Good morning and welcome to Morning Math with the Gallaghers. I'm Mrs. Gallagher and
today my Grant Gallagher is back once again.
Yes, today Grant decided to join me to teach you how to play another game that we play. You can play on a computer, you can play on your phone, you can play with a deck of cards if you want to like unplug and get away from all of our electronic devices. And so we're going to teach you how to play a game. And if you haven't already figured it out, the game is called 24. So I'm going to present my screen now so that you can see where we found the game. Okay, so you can do the waiting music. So this is the Manamana song. Yes, we do love the Manamana song.
Yeah.
So this is the game 24, and this is like a hard copy of the game, and this is the first place that I saw it. And there's actually some math teachers at school that have this game, and they play it. And basically what happens is they give you 4 numbers, and you're allowed to use adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing to take those 4 numbers and try to make it equal 24. There's also an app on your phone. If you search 24 Game, their official app, it costs money. It's $2, but there's like, I mean, I just kept scrolling and there were so many more apps and they were free. So I'll show you the app that I downloaded. And but right now, you can just Google look 24 Game. And the first ones that come up are like the original ones. But if you keep going down, look, the website Cool Math Games, they have it for free.
There's no actual math in this.
Yes, there is. Absolutely.
Well, it's fun math.
It is fun math.
Like chess. I love chess.
Chess is definitely math.
I love chess.
All right, so we're
gonna chess video.
We're gonna practice, and we're gonna practice on a single star because I tried the 2-star, and I could do the first one, but I was struggling with that second one, and we don't want to sit here all day while I try to figure it out. So let's do 1-star, okay, Grant?
Okay, I think I understand from the beginning.
All right, and it's going to even show you. Look, it says 3 times 3 is 9. 9 minus 5 is 4. And 4 times 6 is 24. So that's how you play.
Got it. Okay, so let me try.
Okay.
So times this.
3 times 3 is 9.
9.
Oh,
9.
So when it's highlighted, it's
5
clicked. Okay.
10.
And then
4
times 6 is 24.
Okay.
Okay, so that was the sample one. Now we got to figure out this one. So we have 3 7s and a 3.
All right, this I know.
7 plus 7 is 14. Plus 7 is 21. Plus 3 is 24.
Yeah.
Maybe we should have done the 2 stars. Okay, what's this one?
Okay, so 6 plus 7 equals 13. 13 times 2 is 26. We don't think. All right, let's try 12. All right, I don't really know what to do with stat 1.
I'd like to do 12. What was 6 plus 7 again?
6 plus 7 equals 13.
And what can we do with the 1 so we can get a 12?
Minus 1 times 2.
Okay. 6 plus 7 is 13. Minus 1 is 12. And then times 2
is 24.
Very good. Okay, so we're going to go to level 2 because I want to show you if you don't want to go straight in a row, you can do, they don't have parentheses, but you can kind of do like parentheses. So it's going to show you, or it's not going to show you. Goodness. Okay. I don't know this one. I think this is the one I got stuck on.
All right, let's see here. All right, so if we do, all right, let's see. So 2 times 7 equals 14.
Okay, so while he's figuring that out, I don't think I figured that one out. Let me show you, or I guess I'll just tell you. So I went on my phone, I went to the App Store, and I just typed in 24 Game. And again, the very first one that pops up is the official one, which is costs $2. But if you don't want to spend anything, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different versions that are all free with 4 stars. So I mean, I trust them. And they start you off easy and then they work you up to the difficult ones. Have we figured this one out yet? I
Let's
don't know
see.
that I can figure this one out.
Let's see here. Well, the only thing is.
Oh, I figured it out. Can I try it?
Yeah. Do it.
Okay. So 7 minus 1 is 6.
Yes.
Okay. Now I
Good,
don't.
2 times.
Yeah, so I don't want to keep going with the 6. So next, instead of clicking on one of the buttons, I'm going to click on the number 2 and see how the highlight moves.
Yeah.
So
2.
2. Oh,
times.
you're going to take it away from me now? Okay.
Yeah.
2 times 2 is 4. And then 4 times 6 is 24.
All right.
Very
let's
good.
Try this. All right.
Okay, you want to try one more? And then I think we're going to go back.
All right.
Okay.
All right. This is easy. You just have. All right. Times. That's 9. Plus 7. That, if people know.
Oh,
16 is times 2 times multiply 8 by 3 is 24.
Very good. All right, so this is just one version of the game, right? This one was on Cool Math Games. This is actually not the one that I was going to show you today, but when I Googled it, this was the first one that showed up. So that's the one that we're showing you. You can play this a little bit more later, okay? So we're going to switch back to the video now.
All right.
Okay. So that's the game 24. It's a fun game. It's pretty quick. You can play again on your phone. You can play on a computer. You could even just take out a deck of cards and deal yourself 4 cards. See if you can make 24. If you deal yourself 4 cards from a deck of cards and you can't make 24 and you've been trying forever, there's actually, if you Google 24 game solver, you can type in any numbers you want and the solver will tell you if you can make 24 out of those numbers. So if you're challenging yourself with a deck of cards, or just like maybe you're rolling dice and you're writing down the numbers that you got when you rolled down a dice, and trying those numbers and you can't figure out the answer, you can go to 24 game solver, type in the numbers and see if it's even possible.
If you're doing the dice kind of game, I suggest an 8-sided dice so it can go up to 8 but not 9.
Oh yeah, or
going up to doing a 10-sided dice wouldn't be that good. The best dice for that would be 8.
Yeah, but we did have a 9 in one of the other ones, so maybe we could try a 10-sided dice, or maybe we can work our way up to a 10-sided dice. Maybe start with a 6-sided.
Wait, that was a 4-sided. No,
no.
4-sided is the ultimate challenge.
Those numbers are going to be too small. Oh, and if you don't have dice at home, again, they have dice simulators on your phone, so you can download a dice simulator and you can have it roll the dice for you.
Yeah.
So if you want like a 10-sided dice and you don't have that,
I'll be right back.
Okay. So while he's gone, I'm going to tell you, I know spring break is coming up next week, and we are not posting any new content during spring break, right? We're going to give you the whole week off. You don't have to think about school whatsoever. But the kids and I really like making these videos. So even though we're not going to post new content, we are going to post new Morning Math with the Gallaghers next week for spring break. You totally do not have to join us and watch if you don't want to, right? If you want to just completely forget about school, I totally get it. I understand. But next week, hopefully the weather is better. And I think that next week we're going to have a theme of sidewalk chalk. So all next week, we're going to show you different ways that you can spread joy and spread math around your neighborhood using sidewalk chalk. So if you are sitting at home and you're bored, or if you really do enjoy these videos as much as the kids and I enjoy making them and you want to keep watching, we will have new videos posted all next week, and it's all about sidewalk math. All right, Grant, what do you want to show them?
So if you're doing the dice, choose one of the 7 varieties that I have.
Okay. Let's see if we can get that really close to the camera.
Yeah.
So Grant is very excited because he got some metal dice for Christmas.
Yeah.
And
deluxe.
They're pretty cool.
Yeah.
So they're metal and they're his favorite color.
Yeah, and they have a really special font.
Yeah, I don't think they can see the font from this camera, kiddo.
Yeah, but yeah, yeah.
And it has one of each type of dice. So it has a 4-sided, a 6-sided,
an 8-sided, 12-sided, 10-sided, 20-sided, and it does a 10-sided dice that has 2 digits on it. I call that the 100-sided dice.
Yes, because it rolls 2-digit numbers instead of single-digit numbers.
Yeah, this one, let's see if I can bring it out. This one right here, the 100-sided dice.
Yeah, so it's got like 20 instead of 2 and 30 instead of 3.
Yeah.
Yeah, so he loves those dice. Maybe one day we can show them your game Dice Wars.
Oh my gosh, yes.
Okay. So
yes, that involves math.
I'll add that to the list. But for right now, we will say
we need to case these back up.
happy spring break.
Yep.
And we'll see you next week for Sidewalk Talk, or maybe we'll see you in 2 weeks and you can catch up on back episodes if you're enjoying them. And until then, we say
bye.
bye.